In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Google Workspace trial. First, head to the official Google Workspace website and look for the Start Free Trial button. This is your entry point to set up a trial account without committing to a plan right away. Click it to begin. You'll be asked for some basic business details. Enter your business name, the number of employees, and your country or region. Keep these accurate. They help tailor your setup and ensure you see the right options for your location. When everything looks good, continue to the next screen. Next, add your contact information. Provide your name and a current email address you can access immediately. Google may send important setup messages here, so double check for typos before moving on. Now you'll choose a domain. A domain is the web address that comes after the 8 in your business email. If you already own one, choose the option to use your existing domain and be ready to sign into your domain registrar later in the process. If you don't have a domain yet, select the option to purchase one through Google. This keeps things simple and keeps your email and domain management in one place. You'll then create your admin account. This is the master account for your organization. Choose your business email username and a strong, unique password. Store these credentials somewhere secure because this account controls users, security, and settings across your workspace. Treat it like the keys to the building. After that, verify your domain ownership. Google will guide you step by step, usually by asking you to add a TXT record in your domain's DNS settings. To do this, sign into your domain provider, open the DNS or DNS record section, and paste the exact TXT value Google gives you. Save the change and return to the setup screen to start verification. It can take a few minutes to propagate, but don't worry if it doesn't verify instantly. Just wait and retry. Avoid adding extra spaces or changing the value. It must match exactly. Once verification completes, your trial is live and you can start using Google Workspace. Sign in to access your professional Gmail, organize files in Google Drive, collaborate in Docs, and host secure video meetings in Google Meet. Depending on your plan, you may also see AI-powered features to boost productivity. Take a moment in the admin console to familiarize yourself with user management, security settings, and basic preferences so your team can join smoothly. That's it. You've started your Google Workspace trial and you're ready to explore.